Saving money at home involves adopting smart habits and making informed decisions. Start by creating a household budget to track income and expenses, which help identify areas to cut back. Energy efficiency is key. Switch to LED bulbs, LED, okay? Unplugging devices when not in use, and consider energy efficient appliances to lower utility bills. Implement simple habits like turn off the lights and use power strips. That can make a significant difference. Meal planning is another effective strategy. Prepare a weekly menu to reduce food waste and limit grocery expenses. Cooking at home instead of dining out can lead to substantial savings. Take advantage of the do-it-yourself projects for home maintenance and repairs, which can save on labor costs. You can also create your own cleaning supplies using inexpensive ingredients like vinegar and baking soda. It's better anyway. Review your subscriptions and services regularly. Cancel those that you no longer use. Additionally, you got to consider bulk buying for non-perishable items to take advantage of lower prices. All right? Now, finally, you got to grow your own herbs or vegetables if the space allows. This can reduce grocery costs while providing fresh produce. By implementing these strategies, you can effectively save money at home.